Hi everyone, here today we have a gaming monitor from AOC, but this time it's a wallet-friendly one. This is a 24-inch 1080p monitor with a 144Hz IPS type panel and 1 millisecond response time. It has holes for bezel mounting if you need it. 4 USB 3.0 ports, including ones with fast charging. It also has 2 HDMI 1.4 ports, DisplayPort 1.2A, VGA and 3.5mm audio in and out ports. At the beginning, I was planning to compare it to my Zowie XL2411 monitor, which is similar but almost 10 years old. But to be honest, there is no point. AOC 24G2U is better in possibly every single aspect. It has all the height and tilt adjustments you would want to have. Also, as I mentioned before, it has a wide variety of ports. Colors are much more pleasant and can be pretty accurate, and the picture in motion feels much sharper. For me, really, there is no comparison, and for such a lovely price, which in my country is starting around 150 euros, I think it's a no-brainer if you need a budget gaming monitor. My only small complaint could be lack of USB upstream cable in the box, but that's pretty much it. All I can say is thank you for watching and see you in the next video.